we will have to re-express rational expressions using other denominators. So in order to do that, we need to figure out what is the current denominator being multiplied by to get the new denominator, and then we have to apply that factor to the existing numerator. So a few ways to do this. We're basically going to divide this denominator by this one. So 72m divided by 8m, well, that would be 9, because 9 times 8 is 72. So if we're really multiplying this by a factor of 9, we'd be multiplying this by a factor of 9 as well. So this would equal 27 over 72m. Another way to look at this would be to look at it using fractions, and we can divide to check that we've done that right. If we divided each of these by 9 over 9, we'd get 27 divided by 9, which is 3. 72m divided by 9, which would be 8m. So 3 over 8m, that's where we started. So we're really going through a fraction, some version of 1, to convert one of these to the other. And that's going to come in handy when we're doing addition and subtraction with these. So here, how did we get from x plus 4 to 5x plus 20? Well, we multiplied this by 5. Because if we were to factor 5 out of here, this would really be 5 times x plus 4. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times positive 4 is positive 20. So to get this expression, we really took this expression and multiplied by 5. So then we would have to multiply the numerator by 5 as well. So that would really get us 5x over 5x plus 20. Which makes sense. If we were to check this, we'd basically be dividing each of these by 5. 5x divided by 5 would just be x. 5x plus 20 divided by 5 would be x plus 4. And that's where we started, x over x plus 4. Now when we look down here, same idea, except we're going to have to do some factoring. All right, I have to take a squared minus 9b squared and divide it by a plus 3b, but I realize that this is a square minus a square. So this is really a plus 3b times a minus 3b. This is a difference of two squares, so that's a sum and difference pattern. So if this really simplifies to this, then I'm looking at, all right, what did I take a plus 3b and multiply it by to get these two things? Well, I must have multiplied it by a minus 3b, so that's what this needs to be. I need to take a times a minus 3b. So that's what this numerator would be. All right, so in each of these, and if we wrote it out, we would have a plus 3b times a minus 3b. And like we said, if we did write it out, then these two would cancel, leaving you with a divided by a plus 3b, and that's what we started with.